Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 in Hydro Blue. With LED reflector headlamps, hood and air intake scoop, 17-inch aluminum wheels, bronze tow hooks, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, off-road plus mode, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, truck-mounted subwoofer, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number P7050.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.